brands are going all in, what it actually means, it means that all these brands that you see here, and already today many more, this is a little bit outdated slide because this is 1 month old, but why they are going on NFTs, why brands with the physical best-selling items, the biggest brands having a physical items, why they are going on digital environment as blockchain and non-fungible tokens. First of all, they will non-fungible token is the best possible way to engage the community. When you providing them opportunity to own something online, which is proven that you are the single only ownership of this one unit of this asset, Adidas, Coca-Cola, whatever, Lamborghini, if it's online as a digital asset, it's engaging. And when it's engaging, it also means that these brands have understood that when you engage the community also grows bigger. And the engagement also means that on a non-fungible token means that you can add a lot of utility on those assets, which means that, for example, if you own Adidas sneakers as an NFT, you can go with those sneakers to play some video games. As on Web 2 we call them skins, but they are NFTs on the Web 3 games, and you can the game will describe you some utility there. And on the other hand, if you are owning this asset, you can still trade it. I don't believe that when you buy physical sneakers and you run like with it like half a year and you can sell it, probably not going to work. But this stays with you. But if it's very unique model of Adidas or Nike or Puma, whatever, later on you can sell it maybe in a higher price. That's incredible opportunity. And this NFT business is going all possible business sectors. For example, I'm not sure if you know, but and if you're a coffee lover that I am, I'm a latte lover. Starbucks is going now, changing its loyalty program, points-based loyalty program to, ladies and gentlemen, it is changing it to NFT loyalty program. So it will be launched Q1 next year after a couple of months. When you go to Starbucks and when they have launched their NFTs, you scan it the same way and you will get NFT instead of getting these loyalty points nowadays. But when it's an NFT, it's a great opportunity for both Starbucks and you as a coffee lover, Starbucks coffee lover. Starbucks can offer you different kind of utility on these NFTs. They're already introducing that. Maybe, for example, if you really are interested in coffee itself, they can offer you barista classes, how this coffee will be brewed, online classes or even on-site classes. But if you're not, this is a nice example, because for example, if we think that you will get this kind of utility on the points, which are NFTs, collecting, having drink coffee on Starbucks, if you're not on this kind of utility that you are interested in having, understanding how the Starbucks coffee will be brewed, then there's a price and there's an NFT marketplace. This NFT, you can go to Starbucks NFT marketplace and sell it to someone actually who's interested in it. So it gives you great opportunities to also earn some money. And again, this is the way how Starbucks sees that they will engage their community and community grows even bigger. And it's everywhere we can go today. You see these new NFT projects coming on. Think of ticket sales. Online ticket sales they have big problems now because it was last year more than the hundreds of millions of dollars of different scamming and fraud tickets was printed out on this online ticket systems. But if there are NFTs, it will not happen because it's NFT. It is unique item which runs on blockchain on the application which is called smart contract and exists on another application which is called your digital crypto wallet. Now you have your ticket as on your wallet, and the new technology which is going fast again. I believe next year will take over the markets quite much. It's called semi-fungible token. And why semi? Because now if you think that you have this kind of audience or big stadium rock concert, good football match, World Cup, whatever final, and there are certain tickets that are 1,000 or 2,000 per section, and all are the same. You can sell them as a cryptocurrency priced tickets. So they are not non-fungible, they are fungible tickets. But this new system allows this ticket to be converted automatically as non-fungible ticket, as non-fungible item, non-fungible token after the event is done. Its finals is gone. So later on, this fungible token as a cryptocurrency will automatically convert it to non-fungible. And what it actually means to you, it's on your wallet, and maybe it has even secondary market value. Maybe it's something that you won't sell like after 5 years or 10 years on the marketplace again, because it was the same ticket where Messi scored the winning goal again. And that's something that you own. If you want to own it for good, it's okay, but you have this opportunity to sell it online, and it's exactly how it is because it runs on blockchain. It's secured by the digital signature on smart contract and the digital wallet. Amazing opportunity for all of us. Hey, even ex-president of USA, he went there and launched his 4,500 NFTs just a week ago actually, and this was sold out in less than a day. Interesting. So why NFTs will be big? We discussed this, what's happening now in NFTs, and maybe you kind of got the picture already that there's so much happening on the field of NFTs. But the NFTs actually solved the biggest problem there was on online business when it comes to asset owning, item owning online. My son is a movie producer and movie director, and they also produce some music. And when they launched online their own stuff, you can consider it being stolen or misused at least, because that's how internet works. If you publish a picture there, people can copy it and do whatever they want with it. But if it's an NFT, nobody can change it. Nobody can do anything about it. You own it, and that's it. That's a beautiful opportunity for everybody who's considering, first of all, to create something online or owning something online. You can make sure that the ownership is clear and proven because it runs on blockchain and it runs on an application which is called smart contract, and it's on digital wallet of yours. So that's why I believe this is definitely one of the biggest opportunities there is for all of us. Instead of Web 2, where the companies are owning internet, we as the users, we will own the internet and the business opportunities on internet. One last thing I'd like to explain. Maybe you have heard that quite many governments and central banks are talking about the launching the central bank digital currency and also digital identity, which are combined together as one solution. This digital identity means that governments are already in progress and in process to launch an application where all the data that is related to you will be combined to one solution and one application. It's your birth certificates, it's your school certificates, college certificates, healthcare certificates, everything that is related to you. Also, your financial, your bank card and everything is there. Your driving license is there. Beautiful solution because it's very easy for you. You have one application, you use it, and everything is there. But government is managing, hosting, owning the application where your data is on one single place. How this is possible? It's because of this big data, and data crunching has grown and developed so fast. That's doable. Next year, we will have the first digital identity cards where everything is on one application that's related to you. So maybe it's good, but if you think that they have full control of what you have and what you do and where you go, what you buy, with whom you're communicating with and everything, that's what government has when digital identity will be launched. Is there alternative for this, dear friends and colleagues. Yes, there is. It's called decentralized identity. Decentralized identity means that, again, as I said, we as users, we own the internet. We also own our data on the form of NFT. And this NFT has all the data that is related to us, everything that's related to us, except what I just said, that will be also on centralized ID, digital ID that governments are launching. Decentralized ID has the same amount of your personal data related to you, birth certificates, college certificates, driving license, everything is there that is related to you. But this kind of NFT is a different kind of NFT because it's not transferable. You don't need and you cannot transfer it anywhere. It sits on your wallet and it's safe there because it's on blockchain. And it will be used the way that whatever data you will need to show someone, you give access to this line of data. When you're born, driver's license, you name it. Maybe even some sports club license, whatever. It's not easy to have this kind of comprehensive application on decentralized blockchain. But I'm happy to say that the brightest minds in the world, in the IT world, are developing it now. So these two systems are developed parallel development. Let's see how the next year will turn out to be with this one. Maybe I will finalize my presentation on one particular thing. Olena explained a very important thing on her last great presentation just before me about due diligence. And everybody who has watched and listened to the news lately, we heard about this great scam with FTX scam in USA. And actually, I want to clarify one thing for all of us here. Decentralization, blockchain, crypto did not fail. The centralized business, the traditional business, the traditional centralized platforms, they failed. And also due diligence process of investors failed. And also regulators failed. Not blockchain and decentralized internet. That did not fail. Had nothing to do with blockchain, nothing to do with decentralization. Everything that's related to FTX was centralized. That's all for me. So everybody will own NFTs. There's a couple examples already why it's happening now as we speak. And please try to understand the opportunities what NFT gives to everybody. Thank you.